The recent surge of people investing and trading in cryptocurrency like Bitcoin has impacted many businesses and industries. But one of the most prominent industries it has impacted is, yeah, you definitely guessed it already, the commercial real estate industry. But most people fail to understand how important cryptocurrency is and can be to the growth of the commercial real estate. It has majorly contributed to the growth of the commercial industry in a lot of aspects. Stay with us as we'll be talking about how cryptocurrency has influenced the commercial real estate business on this channel today. You are going to want to stick around until the end for tips on how to invest like the big dogs. More and more people have started moving towards this method of buying and selling real estate as it opens the door to many new possibilities that couldn't have been achieved by the traditional method. Many people still wonder how it does make commercial real estate processes smoother and more open to investment. So here are the impacts and benefits that cryptocurrency brings to the table. 1. Easier and quicker transactions. Using traditional methods, real estate transactions might take weeks or even months to complete. Meanwhile, cryptocurrency transactions get completed in a matter of minutes or hours. In some other cases, cryptocurrency transactions tend to cost less than conventional methods. For example, wire transfers can be costly and involves expenses for both the sender and the recipient. Since cryptocurrencies have no or very cheap transaction fees, they are a more tempting option for real estate transactions. International investing will also become cheaper and easier as the process of making a transfer or exchange of funds has always been a cause of worry. 2. More private transactions and investment. The most attractive and advantageous benefit of cryptocurrencies in the commercial real estate business is that there are no middlemen involved. No real estate agent that is only helping you sell or buy real estate because he wants to get his cut. And also, the more parties involved, the longer a single transaction will take. The use of cryptocurrency removes any challenges or delays that could cause difficulties in the investment process. 3. Incredible security. Fraud and deceitful people in commercial real estate has always been a major issue and is sometimes the reason why a lot of people do not want to invest in it to avoid getting scammed. But with the introduction of cryptocurrency transactions into commercial real estate, transactions have gotten faster. Less parties are now involved in the process as number 1 and 2 above already talked about. Blockchain technology, which is used by cryptocurrencies, provides a secure and open way to transfer ownership. A transaction that has already been added to the blockchain ledger cannot be modified or removed since the ledger is immutable. This helps in safeguarding the transactions in real estate and also helps prevent fraud. 4. Higher liquidity ratio. Another major benefit that cryptocurrency offers the commercial real estate sector is liquidity. Real estate investments usually have been defined by their illiquid nature, that is, their inability to be quickly transformed into cash. The use of cryptocurrency solves this problem as real estate assets can now be tokenized, turned into a digital token that can be quickly purchased, sold, and traded on cryptocurrency exchanges, allowing fractional ownership and quick and simple transfers of property rights. 5. Larger financial values. This is pretty self-explanatory, isn't it? Of course, following the reduction of need for intermediaries, the enabling of swift global transactions, and the increased security in investing in real estate, the accessibility of real estate tokens gets easier as the barrier for entry is lowered. The ease with which ownership may be transferred using a digital wallet with Bitcoin makes it simpler to buy and sell real estate investments. This increased accessibility makes real estate investments more appealing, which attracts a wider range of investors and also increases the demand, thereby increasing the financial value and price of commercial real estate materials. 6. Micro-investing becomes easier. Micro-investing in commercial real estate is basically the practice of investing little amounts of funds in commercial real estate properties. Micro-investments become simpler than ever through the integration of cryptocurrency as it opens up new possibilities for investors by improving accessibility, global participation, liquidity, and transaction security. However, it's vital to be aware that while cryptocurrencies offer potential benefits and innovations, they can also be risky themselves, as their introduction into commercial real estate can bring challenges such as market volatility, which poses a threat to the stability of the commercial market and might affect proper valuation of properties. Other risks include concerns about illicit activities, technical complexities, and environmental implications that need to be carefully addressed, so it's important to understand the potential dangers before getting involved. Now, property buyers are using cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, to buy real estate around the world. However, real estate transactions using cryptocurrencies are still rare, and few companies have the understanding and experience of transacting with property buyers using cryptocurrency. Projects such as RealBlocks, Landshare, and more continuously work towards bringing real estate to the blockchain. Real estate companies that already accept Bitcoin are Magnum Real Estate Group, Sandkey Realty, Caruso, Blooming Sky, and more. These platforms offer a hassle-free way of acquiring real estate with the use of cryptocurrency as compared to the ancient method. So what do you think the future of real estate and cryptocurrency together holds? Do you think the negative impacts could outshadow the positive ones? Let us know what you think about this in the comments. Also, do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more informative contents like this. Cheers! See you again soon.